I have freckles. Oh. Do I look cute yet? Hey guys, today we're going to be filming a really funny video. I honestly have no idea whether this is going to work, and my face could turn out like an absolute hot mess. So today we are going to be giving myself faux freckles. This is like such a big trend, so I wanted to see if I could give myself some more freckles, the really cute sprinkle ones all over my face using dye. So we're going to use hair dye to give me freckles on my face. But a little bit safer is going to be like tinting hair dye, so like ones that you'd use for your brows, or I was going to say your moustache, and then I was like, who tints their moustache? That was such a dumb thing to think. I suppose some people might, especially males maybe, if they've got like grey older man hair, I don't know. But we are going to be using eyebrow tint, and we are going to sprinkle some more freckles over my face and see if we can get the faux freckled look using hair dye. I'm like really nervous but excited at the same time, because this could be a really cool thing, you know, like faux freckles that last you like a week but then they disappear. And I personally love freckles, so anyone out there who has freckles, love them, please. Everyone comes into my store and they're like, hey, my freckles, and I'm like, why? They're so beautiful. Excuse my psoriasis at the moment, it's playing up and it looks really red and just not nice. But I've got freckles there, I've got moles all over me, you guys can see I'm covered, I've got them all over my arms. Like if you took my freckles off my arms, I would look so pale. Not just pasty, I would look like legit a piece of paper. That's what gives me a little bit of colour. Anyway, let's get on to giving me these faux freckles. I am personally a beauty therapist by trade, so I do have tinting gear on hand always. So I'm going to be using this eyebrow tint, or eyebrow and lash tint, you can call it whatever you want. This is by Professional Beauty Systems, and we're going to mix it with some solution. So I'm just going to put some in my little petri dish thing. Is that what you still call them? I don't even know. This little bowl, we'll just call it a bowl. So we'll put some in there, and then we are going to be using the same brand solution, so we need to mix a couple of drops with that. Oh my god, imagine if I make like an absolute mess on my face. Luckily I wear makeup to work. So let's get on to doing these wee freckles. Got my trusty wee mirror here. I'm just going to sporadically dot them everywhere on my face. So I'll zoom up so you guys can see a bit closer now. I feel like I'm so close to the camera. Hello, nice to meet you. So we are going to start putting them on. Oh, that's not enough product on them. Hold on. I'm going to use like the bottom of my palette as like a wee table while we're doing this. So you guys can kind of see my skin before. I definitely have some little freckles but not many. And we're literally just dotting it everywhere. So because this is light brown, I am going to leave the tint on my face for maybe around 6 minutes. So I'm thinking that if we put, there's so much product, I'm so glad I did not put that on my face. I'm thinking if we put it on for maybe like 6 minutes, like I said, I don't know why that confused me so much. Then we might have some beautiful wee freckles. I'm kind of doing like different sizes as well, because when you have freckles on your skin, they're not all perfect. This is the thing that I wish people that did faux freckles on YouTube and that realised. They're different sizes, they're different colours, they're different shapes. Like a freckle does not have to be circle, it can be like more squared, it can be like more of a slant. So you want to really like dot them on in different shaping. I'm just putting little baby ones, so like not putting more product on. I want these to be really, really faint. So you can see I've got all of my darker ones that have a lot of tint on. Yeah, they're very visible in the camera. But then I'm just going through and kind of like tapping on the excess. My hand's like shaking like this underneath, and I'm like, am I nervous? Or my hand's just like, nah, I'm not gonna play nice with you. So do the same on the other side. So what you have to remember when it comes to tinting, whether it's our face, which is strange, not many people get their face tinted, your brows, your lashes, or if you're doing tint on someone, the first side that you put on is the first side you take off. Oh, that's going to be a big freckle on that side. YOLO. I hope this works. This is going to be so cool. Perfect, so you guys can see that we've got all of our freckles on now. Now I just want to tint my eyebrows and my eyelashes. I will leave that for another day though. So we're just going to wait and hopefully this works. So I'm going to come back in around 6 minutes and we will take this side off so you guys can see if it's worked or not. Be right back. Alrighty guys, so I think that it's time that we take this side off at least, because in my little jar this has developed so dark now. So I'm like, maybe it's done on my face. So I'm just going to use a flannel to take this off, and this I can wash so I don't have to throw it in the bin. I'm trying to be really good with recycling and my waste usage at the moment with like things that go into the ground. So just a little backstory about me, you know. We'll take this off. Just this one side to start with. Okay. I've just made my cheek really red looking, so you guys won't be able to see it just yet. But it has definitely left some form of marking. Nowhere near as intense as I thought, so maybe you could do like black or something. Maybe we will do a little bit of black, but I legit look like I've just got natural freckles. I will zoom up so you guys can actually see my face, but you can see here, so this is what it looks like beforehand. So you've got all of your freckling there. And then this is what we're coming down to. So as soon as my skin gets less red, I'll zoom up so you guys can see it. Alrighty, so let's take off the other side and my nose now. So I'm just being like really gentle, rubbing it off. Okay. Didn't stay on my nose as much by the looks of it, but there's still like a faint freckling. And just so we were aware beforehand, I was not intending this to look like fake freckles that actually look fake. Like I want this to look like natural freckles. So we're not going to have dots of black everywhere, but we want it to look like we have a sprinkle of natural freckles. Oh my god. It looks like I've got freckles. Ah, I love it. Oh, they're so cute. Alright, I'm going to zoom you guys up so you can see a bit better, because you probably can't see as much in this lighting, but we have a sprinkle of freckles. Oh, I love it so much. I'll zoom you guys up even closer. For some reason the lighting is wanting to be really weird at the moment, but you guys can see my freckles. Oh, they are so cute. Wow, we can definitely say this worked. I think that the longer you leave it on, or if you use like a really dark brown, maybe a black, because remember we used a soft brown. That might make it like really, really intense. Whereas this actually looks so normal and natural. Like if someone was to come and talk to me, they would probably think that this is just my skin, which is exactly what I wanted. Oh, I'm in love! So I think all in all, we can say that this definitely works. Big thumbs up for hair dye on my face. I mean, it would be really strange if it didn't work though, just because it is legit hair dye. But yeah, if you guys have oilier skin, definitely make sure that you, blank moment again, I'm like all over the place today, like my brain is frizzled. Make sure you clean your skin, that's what I was going to say, because you don't want it mixing with your oils. I literally, before I did this, just washed my face like normal, chucked on a moisturizer, and 10 minutes later, here we are, filming this video. I've got so much energy today, I don't even know what's going on. Obviously I woke up on the right side of the bed, guys. So yeah, this is today's video. Super impressed with this. If you guys want to do it, I think a lot of chemists actually sell tinting gear, so like the hair dyes for your brows and things. I don't know if that's everywhere in the world, but you can definitely get it in New Zealand. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, a little bit different, really fun. I really want to try stuff like this again, so if you guys have any weird or quirky ideas of what you might want me to try on my skin, or a how-to, or anything like that, leave a comment down below. Make sure you check out all my Christmas videos as well. I would appreciate that and love you guys so much, and give this video a big thumbs up. I hope you guys subscribe as well. Have a good day, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!